Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to change your name on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook account. I'll go ahead and let you know that you can only change your Facebook name every 60 days. It is not as bad as a year or anything, but make sure you like your name. Also, putting unusual characters in your name might mess up your new name and it might not go through. But what you want to do is click the three little lines in the bottom right. From here, you want to scroll down a little and click on Settings and Privacy. And then from here, you just want to click on Settings. So then at the top of the page, you're going to see Personal and Account Information. You want to click on that. And then you want to click on Name. So here, you can change your name. So I'm just going to put Y, an extra Y on Mayberry. And then click Review Changes. So here, as you can see, that it will not, or it will let me change my name, but it won't let me change it within the next 60 days. So you want to make sure that you do like this name. And then if you do, all you need to do is click Save Changes after you put in your Facebook password. Then after that, you should have a new name and you can't do it until 2 months later. So hope this video helped. And if it did, please make sure to leave a like to the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you in the next video.